What's up guys, so today we're in a Supra car meet here in the Bear Creek Park. So let's record some nice Supras. Let's do it. Look at this one. This one is pushing 700 horsepower. We will make a video of this car in the future, featuring this car. In black looks very nice, the Supra, the MK5 Supra. Toma exhaust. Ooh. Nice seats. So nice. Look at that. Look at this. Big turbo. Single turbo Supra. This one is clean. Look at the wheels. Nice wheel. They look real nice. Work wheels. Oof. 18s. Single turbo. Wow. Wow. That's nice. Fast and the Furious. Wow, that's nice. White Supra. That's nice. Midi tires. Look at that. Look at this. This is my Supra. I'm running the stock wheels because I'm putting new tires on my Ferrada wheels. But right now, it has the stock wheels. It looks beautiful. In black. That's the color of my car, but it has a wrap. It's nice. I like the wheels on this one. What are these? Variant alloys. These are 20s. This is Instagram. This one has big tires, big meaty tires. That's nice. Ah man, this is beautiful. this R34. This is amazing.
Shut all the way.
So that's nice. Alright guys, this was the SUPRAS car meet from SUPRAS of Houston car club. I met a lot of cool guys today. It was nice. I had a lot of fun today. And these are the SUPRAS. Let me know which one do you like the most in the comments. Okay, thank you for watching. More Supra videos are coming, so subscribe for more videos like this one. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos. Okay, see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.